Hi, I'm Benjamin Rehberg, Managing Director and Partner from Boston Consulting Group. I will be speaking to you today about a concept that BCG calls Bionic. A concept that we believe is forming the backbone of the company of the future, harnessing technology to further unleash the power of human creativity and productivity in a digital world. To make the most of the technological opportunities proliferating in the digital age, company must become bionic, uniting strategy and purpose, incorporating technology with human capabilities to power growth, innovation, efficiency, resilience, and advantage. These processes are very different from what companies are traditionally accustomed to. Now people operate processes, but in the future, they will put their efforts into the design of processes, from simple to complex, that will be digitally augmented or automated. Bionic leaders create value faster, enabled by next-generation technology, outperforming peers 2-to-1 on key metrics including cost efficiency, product, quality, customer and employee satisfaction, as well as time to market. The backbone supports 3 critical competitive capabilities. First, personalization. New and improved customer experience and relationships, leading companies see a 10% increase in growth from personalization. Secondly, operations. Dramatically more efficient and effective, leading companies see a 25% boost in operating margin when they digitize manufacturing. Third, innovation. Startup-style development and deployment of new products and services, leading companies see a 50% reduction in R&D lifecycle time. In a bionic organization, Agile and Cloud are inextricably tied. Considering some of the core tenets of Agile, transparency, adaptation, and empowerment, organizations can articulate key opportunities and objectives, then develop and iterate quickly, leveraging the power and extensibility of today's cloud computing capabilities. As we've explored in Bionic, however, the key to successful transformation is not simply about the technology. It is the combination of a bold and achievable vision combined with people, culture, as well as process transformation that can harness today's hyperscale cloud capabilities and complement to one another, creating a sustained path to success. That was the introduction to the Bionic company. At the intersection of strategy and purpose, human and technology capabilities, powering the company of the future.